Imagine a beast rolling down the road, a machine so bold and powerful that it makes everything else look like a toy. That's the 2026 Ford F-150 Shelby. When you hear the name Shelby, you already know what's coming: insane power, aggressive styling, and a truck that doesn't just dominate the street, it owns it. The legendary Shelby name has taken the F-150 platform and turned it into something wild, something that screams performance in every inch of its design. Let's talk about what makes this monster so special. Under the hood, it's not just a regular V8. Shelby has gone all out with a supercharged 5.2-liter V8, pumping out over 775 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right, more than 775 horses, ready to launch you forward with brutal acceleration. Imagine a pickup truck that can run from 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds. That's sports car territory, and yet you're sitting in a truck with massive tires, off-road capability, and an aggressive stance that looks like it could eat anything in its path. The sound alone is enough to give you chills. Fire up that engine, and you're greeted with a deep, menacing growl that only gets louder as you hit the throttle. It's raw, it's untamed, and it's Shelby through and through. Now, the exterior Shelby didn't just add a badge and call it a day. This thing looks like a muscle truck straight out of a dream. The bold front grille with the Shelby lettering, the functional hood scoops, the aerodynamic enhancements, and those massive 22-inch wheels wrapped in performance, tires, everything about it says power and performance. The body is wider, the suspension is beefed up, and you get those signature racing stripes that run across the hood and bed, letting everyone know this is no ordinary F-150. And for the hardcore off-road fans, Shelby didn't forget you. The truck comes with a high-performance suspension setup, FOX shocks, and reinforced components to handle serious terrain. Whether you're carving through dunes or cruising the highway, the F-150 Shelby is built to dominate both worlds. Step inside, and the luxury meets performance vibe hits you instantly. Premium leather seats with Shelby stitching, carbon fiber accents, a massive touchscreen with Ford's latest sync system, and of course, special badging everywhere to remind you that you're driving something exclusive. It's not just a powerhouse, it's a refined beast, and the practicality still there. This is an F-150 at its core, so you've got towing capacity, a spacious bed, and all the utility you expect, but wrapped in a hyper-performance shell that puts most sports cars to shame. And then comes the exclusivity. Shelby doesn't build these in massive numbers. This is a truck for the select few who want something unique, something that stands out in any crowd, the kind of vehicle that turns heads at every traffic light and makes people pull out their phones for pictures. And yes, the price matches the madness. This isn't cheap, but then again, nothing this extreme ever is. You're not just buying a truck, you're buying a statement, a piece of performance history that carries one of the most iconic names in the automotive world. Driving it, that's an experience you'll never forget. The throttle response is instant, the supercharger whines as the RPM climbs, and the exhaust roars like a wild animal ready to strike. Cornering is sharp for a truck of this size, and the advanced suspension keeps it planted, whether you're on asphalt or off-road trails. It's confidence, adrenaline, and pure excitement in every mile. The 2026 Ford F-150 Shelby isn't just a pickup. It's a muscle truck on steroids, a luxury cruiser, and an off-road monster rolled into one insane package. For those who crave power, presence, and performance in a way only Shelby can deliver, this is the ultimate dream truck. Forget blending in with this. You own the road, the trail, and the spotlight. The legend lives on, and it's louder, meaner, and faster than ever.